Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Compusyn project and importing your prepared CSV. This gets you into the workflow immediately. Make sure to select the correct unit and algorithm so calculations match your experimental design. Incorrect units cause scaling errors. Once done, map columns to dose and response fields so the software reads data properly. You should also verify baseline and control rows are set. This small front-loading prevents repeated rework and ensures downstream analysis runs smoothly. You now fit single-agent curves before tackling combinations, because accurate D, M, and M values determine synergy metrics. Run median effect or 4-parameter fits and inspect R and R2 to confirm goodness of fit. If poor, try different weighting or transform data. Once satisfied, add combination files and specify fixed ratio or variable dosing. Set which agent is A or B so indices compute correctly. Make sure to save intermediate fit results. That keeps a reproducible trail of decisions and prevents hidden errors. You finish by generating CI and FA-CI plots and reviewing dose reduction indices to interpret synergy or antagonism. Export both graphical and tabular reports so collaborators can inspect raw fits and parameter values. This supports reproducibility. If results look unstable, first revisit single-agent fits and confirm replicates. Poor fits often produce misleading CI values. If needed, try alternate models. Exclude outliers with justification and rerun analysis. This corrective loop ensures your conclusions are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.